Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to Skill Station. Today is our second lecture of our course RStudio. As you know that we have started a course that is RStudio, how we can perform different statistical analysis by using R and RStudio. In our first lecture, we understand how we can install R and RStudio without any cost, free of cost, and after that we also discuss basic functions of RStudio and a brief introduction of the RStudio. So today in second lecture we are going to start practical applications of RStudio. So today we will discuss how to make a folder on R. This is our topic. These are all our today topics. So different function of R screen or RStudio. In the last lecture I told you there are 4 screens on RStudio. Here you can see 1, 2, 3 and 4, and I also explained their name. So today we will see their functions, and next third topic, how to import dataset on R, how we can import dataset on R. Okay, and the next is what is a package function library on R. These are different terms. We will understand about what is library, what is function, what is package, and what is heading and script. These are basically terms that will be used in RStudio, so I will explain one by one. And the last topic is how to install packages on R. Basically what is package I will explain in point 4, and in point 6 we will see how we can install different packages and their functions in RStudio. So let me explain first how to make a folder on R. So here on screen number 3, as we make a folder on our computer or laptop, desktop to save different documents, same like we make folder on RStudio. The difference is that when we make folder on window, the folder will be, if new, it will be empty, but in RStudio folder will be not empty. So because it will contain different files, let me explain why we make folder. Because when we are working for different clients and we want to save their dataset in different folders, so we make folder so that we can easily understand that we are working for client A, we are working for client B, we are working for client C. That's why we make folder on RStudio. So here you can see on my screen bash 87, but on your RStudio there will be no written folder, only word folder. So you will click here, and here you can see that create project list, close project, open project, batch 87, clear project options. Here you can see different. First of all I will new project, and on option 1 there you can see that there is written new project. So you will click here, and after that you will see screen like that. It is taking some time. Here new directly, yes, new directly, you will click here. After that new project, you will click on yes, new project, and here you can give project name. Like I was written batch 87, so here I can write batch 89 and create, and then I will click on this create project. Here you can see where you want to save this project, this folder. I will browse and you can save where do you want. I am going to save on documents option. I will open it, and I will open document option. So because I am going to save my folder on documents option, so I select it and open, and now I will create project. So my project is created, and this project will be saved or created on your documents option, where you can save different files. So my project is created, right? So here I will click, and there will be 4 screens. So our first question was what is how we can create different folder on RStudio. So it was very simple. So second question was the function of different screens. So I already explained. Here is screen 1, screen 2, screen 3, screen 4. So screen 1 was called script screen because here we write the script to run any analysis. This is screen 2, that is called console screen, that give us output in the form of the table. Here is screen 3, that will show us data set. And it is screen 4 that gives us basically this screen will give us plots or graphs. So first let me explain. how we write the script. Let me explain. I write plot bracket iris, iris, iris here, and I will run it. Here you can see that I got a plot, because and plot is shown in screen 4. I write plot, I big this I will explain later these terms. Basically it is a command or script to generate any graph on RStudio. I write plot into iris, and data of this graphs or plots are already installed in the RStudio by default. You don't need any dataset for this. So here you can see that I write down script plot into iris, and when I run the command, I get this plot. Now let me write down. I will write str. Again I will write iris, and I will run it, and I will get table, and the table is shown in screen number 2. Here you can see that the table is in screen number 2, right? Table is on screen number 2. Now I will write down data bracket, and in the bracket I will write down iris, same word, iris here. Now I will run, and you can see that dataset is shown on this screen. I click here. Here you can see dataset, complete values of the data in the form of the table, right? Here you can see data in the form of the table. But when I will click here, you can see data on screen 1. And screen 2 you get table of data, and screen 1 showing data. Here you can again close this data. So basically I am going to show you, I showed you different functions of the screen on the RStudio. Function of R1, screen 1 is for to write down the script, screen 2 for the table and output, screen 3 for the dataset, and screen 4 for the plot. Now I am going to close all these things. Yes, I am going to close it, and I am going to close it. Yes, so I will also going to close it. Here is brush to clear all these things. So this was our second topic, different function of the screen. Now I am going to explain how to active any package on the RStudio. Basically, what is package? When we perform different statistical data analysis on RStudio, we need different packages, like a ggplot2 is a package, and same cross dot plot is a package, and xstat is a package. So these are all different packages that are used in the RStudio. So how we can, where we find the package? On screen 4 we have all the packages. Here I click X, like I click ggplot2. Here you can see that I have installed this package. But what if I did not have installed this package? So we can also install package on the RStudio that we don't have, right? And Excel. I am going to search second package, XL, read Excel. Yes. So second package, you need to listen. If my dataset is in the form of the Excel, I need package, this package X, read Excel, read Excel. Here you can see that. But if we don't, your RStudio will not show this package because you have not installed. Like read Excel is a package. Read, here I am going to write read Excel is a package, but you don't have this. So what will you do? You will come to this option, install, will click here. After clicking here, you will write down the name of the package, right? Read Excel. Because I already have this, so I will not install. After typing this, you will only click on the install, and the package will be installed on the RStudio, right? So read Excel is a package. Why we install read Excel? Because when we have dataset in the form of the Excel, we must have this read Excel package to import a dataset on our RStudio, right? So now I will import dataset on my screen. I will click here, import data. Here you can see on screen 3, import dataset option. You will click here. After that you will click from Excel. You will click here, and now you can browse your data. I have already data in the form of Excel, and let me see data set. Where is my data? Yes, here is my ficus data. I will click here and open data set. My data set is open. Here my data set is importing. After that I will click on import. My data set is import on the RStudio. Here you can see the ficus data. Here you can see that, and here is data in the form of the table, and here is data in the form of file. I will click here. Here you can see data, right? So I will close this data. So the things we covered right now. What are the function or different force screens on the RStudio? First one, second topic was how we can import a data set, and the third topic was how we can active any package on the RStudio. Simply how we can install. So simple, you will come on the package option, you will search package. If you don't have already, you can install from the here. Okay, so now next topic is different terms. I am going to explain different terms, like what is a package. First, what is packages? So first of all, I am going to explain what is packages. Basically, packages are different tools that are present in the RStudio to perform the different analysis, like correlation has a package, regression has a package, time series analysis has a package. So these packages are important to perform any function, right? So second term is function. What is function? FUNCTION, function. So guys, different packages have different functions in RStudio. Like mobile phone is a package and it has multiple functions, right? It can do calculation, it is used for to take picture, to make video. So mobile is a package and the function it performs are multiple. So same like if we have one package on RStudio, it will perform different function. Here I click on package and I search ggplot2. ggplot2. I click here and you can see that it has different functions here. These are his package. Like we can make graphs, point plot graph, line plot, bar graph. These are, we will also do practically all these things. So these are all functions of the package. So I explained what is package, what is function. Now I am going to explain what is library. Library. So library means to switch on. To switch on. Like ggplot is not active, right? But when I will click here, now it is active. So library means to perform any function by using a package, we will first active our package, yani switch on our package. Like when I am going to perform my analysis point plot by using the ggplot2, first of all I will active ggplot. Like before mobile phone, we switch on mobile phone. Same before using any package, we will switch on it by using so it will call library. How we will do it? Like I write ggplot, I write down library. To active it, we will write library bracket ggplot2, run it. Sorry, library spelling was wrong. Yes, library, run it. Here you can see that on screenshot it is shown that my package has active. So I have library my package, right? So library means to active any package to perform our different analysis on the RStudio. So what we have taught, what is function, what is library, and what are the function of different screens, how to import the data, and what are the packages on the RStudio. So these were the basic terms that we learned on in our today lecture. So these were all were basic things. No need to be confused. And our next lecture we will discuss how we can create point plot by using the RStudio. This is also very simple and I will explain in the detail inshallah. So guys, this was our lecture and we have completed our 2 lectures. In our third lecture we will practically learn how to write script and how to perform the different analysis. So guys, must subscribe my channel Skill Station. Here you can also find different courses like complete Facebook ad course, Google ad course, LinkedIn course, Fiverr course, Upwork course. This course of ours today is very important. Whatever you are a freelancer, whatever you are a researcher, whatever you are a student of data science, so guys, must subscribe my channel Skill Station and stay up to date with our course. You can also join our WhatsApp group. Thank you so much.